Hello everyone, you're welcome to solve this nice exponential equation, which is 15 to the power of x plus 15 to the power of x plus 15 to the power of x divided by 3 to the power of x plus 3 to the power of x plus 3 to the power of x. This is equal to 6. So what is the value of x given that x is not equal to 0? Let's prevent the solution from here. Now, you find that in the numerator here, 15 to the power of x is common, so we can factor out 15 to the power of x into the parentheses. We have 15 to the power of x divided by 15 to the power of x, so this is 1, then plus 1, then plus 1, cross the parentheses. This is divided by 3 to the power of x is common here, so we factor out 3 to the power of x. Here we have 1 plus 1 plus 1. This is equal to 6. So we have 15 to the power of x in the numerator. 1 plus 1 plus 1, this is 3, divided by 3 to the power of x, multiplied by 1 plus 1 plus 1, this is 3, and this is equal to 6. So let's simplify 3 and 3, so that we have 15 to the power of x divided by 3 to the power of x. This is equal to 6. 15 to the power of x and 3 to the power of x. This is in the form of a to the power of n divided by b to the power of n, which we can express as a over b raised to the power of n. Applying this exponent property, then we have here 15 divided by 3 raised to the power of x. This is equal to 6. 15 divided by 3, this is equal to 5. So we have 5 to the power of x. This is equal to 6. To solve for x here, we introduce logarithm on both sides. We have log 5 to the power of x. This is equal to log 6. Log 5 to the power of x, this is in the form of log a to the power of n, which can be expressed as n log a. Applying this power rule property, log 5 to the power of x becomes x log 5. This is equal to log 6. Let's divide both sides by log 5 and also here by log 5. So we simplify log 5 and log 5 so that now x is equal to log 6 divided by log 5. Now, you find that log 6 over log 5, this is in the form of log a divided by log b, and this can be expressed as log a to base b. Now we have x is equal to log 6 over log 5. We can express 6 as 2 multiplied by 3, so that now we have x is equal to log 2 times 3 divided by log 5. Now, log 2 times 3, this is in the form of log a times b, and this can be expressed as log a plus log b. Applying this logarithm property, then we have x is equal to, this is log 2 divided by log 5, then plus log 3 divided by log 5. So we find that log 2 over log 5 and log 3 over log 5, this is in the form of log a over log b, and this can be expressed as log a to base b. Applying this logarithm property, then x is equal to log 2 to base 5 plus log 3 to base 5. So this is the value of x. This is the value of x. The next step from here is to verify that this value of x satisfies the equation. So if you recall, we have that 15 raised to the power of x plus 15 raised to the power of x plus 15 raised to the power of x divided by 3 to the power of x plus 3 to the power of x plus 3 to the power of x. This is supposed to give us a value of 6. So since 15 to the power of x is common here, so we factor out 15 to the power of x, so that now here we have 1 plus 1 plus 1. Then in the denominator, we have 3 to the power of x is common, so we factor out 3 to the power of x, so that into the parentheses, we have 1 plus 1 plus 1. This is equal to 6. So here we have 15 to the power of x times 3 divided by 3 to the power of x times 3. This should give us a value of 6. So 3 and 3 simplifies. From here, this is in the form of a to the power of n divided by b to the power of n, and this is the same thing as a over b raised to the power of n. So therefore, we have 15 over 3 raised to the power of x. This should give us a value of 6. So from here, 15 divided by 3, this is 5. So we have 5 to the power of x. This is supposed to give us a value of 6. So let's substitute x. We have 5 to the power of log 2 to base 5, then plus log 3 to base 5. This should give us a value of 6. So 5 to the power of log 2 to base 5 plus log 3 to base 5. This is in the form of a to the power of n times a to the power of m, which you can express as a to the power of n times a to the power of m. Applying this exponent property, then we have 5 to the power of log 2 to base 5 multiplied by 5 to the power of log 3 to base 5. This should give us a value of 6. 5 to the power of log 2 to base 5. This is in the form of b to the power of log a to base b, and this should give us a value of a. So this implies that 5 to the power of log 2 to base 5, this is the same thing as 2, and 5 to the power of log 3 to base 5, this is equal to 3. So let's substitute this so that we have 2 times 3. This should give us a value of 6. So 2 times 3, this is 6, and this is equal to 6. So the left hand side is equal to the right hand side. And this implies that the value of x, which is log 2 to base 5 plus log 3 to base 5, actually satisfies the equation. So kindly follow the steps, like this video and subscribe. Like this video and subscribe. See you in the next video.